If you wake up with cold hands, if your feet go numb after sitting too long, if your blood pressure keeps creeping up year after year, and your doctor says that it is just age, let us be clear. It is not just age, because right now, inside your body, your arteries are carrying the memory of every meal, every stress spike, and every missed night of sleep. Over time, these vessels get damaged. They stiffen, clog, and narrow. But every night, while you sleep, your body has the tools to repair them, if you give it the right ingredients. And what you eat before bed could be the difference between ongoing damage and total renewal. So today, we are counting down the 7 best foods to eat at night to help cleanse your blood vessels naturally. No pills, no gimmicks, just science-backed, everyday foods that support your arteries, heart, and blood pressure as you rest. And what comes first might surprise you. It is one of the most misunderstood foods out there. So, if circulation and clean arteries matter to you, go ahead and hit subscribe right now. Now, let us get into the list, beginning with number 7. Number 7 is tart cherries. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, which are natural compounds that help repair the inner lining of your blood vessels, known as the endothelium. This lining produces nitric oxide, which is a signaling molecule that keeps your arteries relaxed and your blood pressure stable. When this lining is damaged, nitric oxide production declines and blood vessels become stiff. Tart cherry juice helps restore that balance, and because it also contains natural melatonin, it improves sleep quality too. Just for 2 6 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice, about 1 hour before bed, can set the stage for vascular healing while you sleep. Number 6 is walnuts. Walnuts deliver alpha-linolenic acid, which is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that reduces inflammation and supports blood vessel flexibility. They also provide magnesium and melatonin. These 2 nutrients improve sleep and lower nighttime blood pressure. A small handful of walnuts is enough to activate these benefits. In addition, walnuts support your arteries by lowering levels of C-reactive protein, which is a key marker of inflammation that is often elevated in cardiovascular disease. Number 5 is pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are one of the most studied fruits for cardiovascular health. Their polyphenols improve blood flow, increase nitric oxide, and protect against LDL oxidation, which is the form of cholesterol that contributes to plaque buildup. In clinical trials, daily pomegranate juice has even been shown to reduce carotid artery thickness, which means less blockage and more room for blood to move. Drinking 4 ounces of unsweetened pomegranate juice in the evening is a powerful way to assist your blood vessels while your body sleeps. Number 4 is garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which is a natural compound that helps blood vessels relax and prevents them from becoming narrow and stiff. It reduces angiotensin II, which is the hormone that tightens arteries and improves overall circulation. To get the full benefit, crush 1 raw clove and let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin. You can then swallow it with water, mix it with olive oil, or add it to your evening meal. Garlic has also been shown to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in clinical studies. Number 3 is kiwi. Kiwi offers a gentle, fruit-based way to support blood vessel strength and circulation. It is rich in vitamin C, which helps produce collagen, which you know is essential for keeping blood vessel walls flexible and strong. Kiwi also supports platelet health and may reduce blood stickiness. This helps prevent clots and encourages smoother flow. Eating 1 kiwi about 30 to 60 minutes before bed can support your vascular system without spiking your blood sugar. Number 2 is spinach. Spinach is one of the most nitrate-rich foods you can eat. Nitrates convert to nitric oxide, which is a molecule that signals your blood vessels to expand and relax, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. Spinach is also high in potassium and magnesium, both of which support fluid balance and reduce pressure on arterial walls. A small serving of steamed spinach at dinner, paired with olive oil or lemon, helps your body absorb the full range of benefits. And number 1 is dark chocolate. Specifically, dark chocolate that is at least 85% cocoa and free from added sugars or dairy. Dark chocolate contains flavanols, which stimulate an enzyme called endothelial nitric oxide synthase. This enzyme helps your body produce nitric oxide, keeping your arteries wide and responsive. In studies, daily intake of high flavanol cocoa improved arterial function, reduced stiffness, and supported healthy blood pressure. 1 small square, about 10 to 15 grams, is all you need to activate these effects. This is not dessert, it is a cardiovascular therapy that happens to taste good. Now, let us zoom in on the deeper mechanism. Why does this work while you sleep? Your blood vessels are lined with a layer called the endothelium. This is where nitric oxide is produced. It controls dilation, blood pressure, clotting, and immune response. As we age or if we eat poorly, this lining becomes damaged and inflamed. Once that happens, the arteries stiffen, the heart works harder, and plaque begins to form. But your body does not want to break down. It wants to restore, and nighttime is when most vascular repair happens. During deep sleep, levels of inflammation decrease, antioxidant enzymes increase, and hormones like melatonin and growth hormone tell your cells to begin healing. But to do that effectively, your body needs building blocks. These foods, which are rich in flavanols, polyphenols, nitrates, and essential minerals, give your arteries exactly what they need to do their job. And here is one mistake to avoid. Do not snack on processed foods late at night, especially chips, cookies, or salty crackers. These items raise blood pressure, increase stiffness, and stop your arteries from relaxing properly overnight. Instead, try ending your night with a simple combination: a square of dark chocolate, a handful of walnuts, or a few ounces of Tart cherry or pomegranate juice. Let food become your nighttime repair tool, not your hidden source of damage. So, here is how your evening might look. You start dinner with steamed spinach and garlic, cooked in olive oil with a squeeze of lemon. A few hours later, you sip on unsweetened pomegranate juice or enjoy a kiwi and a few walnuts. Then, before bed, you slowly savor one square of dark chocolate. As you rest, your body takes in these nutrients, and your arteries begin to soften, stretch, and clean themselves out. You wake up clearer, calmer, with hands and feet that feel just a bit warmer. Try this for 7 nights. Feel the changes. Then tell me in the comments, do you feel different in the morning? Is your pressure better? Are your limbs less cold? And if you already use food this way, type cleanse below so others can follow your example. You are not clogged, you are just under-supported. Give your body the tools, it knows what to do, and if this resonated with you, hit subscribe now. Until our next video that you do not want to miss, rest easy. Your repair work starts tonight.